Here's Robinson, Jack, and Meg. Robinson is attacked by Jack and Meg. How can anyone abandon these doggies? Such playful pups. They love and adore each other. The dogs are cute, but the floor is ugly. In between meal snack. Jack in his native habitat, the CRV. A rare sight, Jack with a ball. Jack and Coleman Jones. SpongeBob must die. I really should be on TV. Pay attention to me. Border Collie ready to run, ready to cause trouble. Meggers with her baby ducks. It's the Halty holding me back. I'm hunting baby deer. Puppies at rest.